Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to do the benchmark test comparison between all of these four smartphones which I got right now. And all the four smartphones they do have the different processors. Starting with the Snapdragon 710 processor from the Realme X device, is a Realme X which I do have right now. And next is the Samsung Galaxy M51 device which has got the Snapdragon 730G processor in the Samsung Galaxy M51 device. And third one is the Realme Narzo 30 Pro which has got the Dimensity 800U chipset, and fourth is the iQOO Z5 which has got the Snapdragon 778G processor. Let's see friends which phone will be having what kind of Antutu benchmark test, and this is a test which I'm trying to use the latest Antutu benchmark application. Yes, latest version I'm trying to use. So, and I think three smartphones are 6GB RAM variant, and iQOO Z5 has got the 8GB RAM variant. That's something you should know before starting the video. So without wasting any time, let me try to start the benchmark test in all the four devices. Right now, as you can see friends, the test has been successfully started in all the four smartphones. Right now you can see the temperatures how they are. So it's kind of 30 degrees and 31 degrees only, overall 30 degrees most of the time. So it's not that high regarding the temperatures wise. Let's see friends which phone will be having what kind of results and Antutu benchmark score in the CPU and the GPU, how much difference it can be there regarding this all the four different processors. Snapdragon 710, 730G and 778G. These three phones only I do have right now with the 7 series in my studio with the Snapdragon process. And is a two Dimensity process only I do have in my studio, Dimensity 800U and Dimensity 1200. So I don't have any other process with me at this moment, unfortunately. So I will be back friends once after complete test has been done. So then we'll actually discuss the overall temperatures, overall scores, temperatures, and how much battery got decreased as well during this process of testing. So I will be back after some time. So right now let's check out the temperatures. 32 degrees and 35.2 degrees. Samsung did get highest heat, and the Dimensity 800U also slightly kind of higher temperatures. And Snapdragon 778G is also getting close to 34 degrees Celsius. As you can see, 34 degrees. So only the Snapdragon 710 processor is only having a little bit kind of less temperatures in the 710. So that's kind of understandable because of this not that performance oriented smartphone. This kind of mid-range segment mobile phones all I'm trying to compare. So I will be back friends once this test has been finished. Finally, we got the Antutu benchmark test results. As you can see friends, clearly the Snapdragon 778G which scored about 5,66,000. That's kind of all-time highest I think in this iQOO Z5 in terms of the performance and the results. Not bad. That's pretty high score in the Snapdragon 778G. And Dimensity 800U which scored about 4 lakhs of benchmark test. That's kind of above 4 lakhs, not an issue. As you can see, it's pretty good. So 4 lakhs 2,350. And next is 3 lakhs 30,000 which is a Snapdragon 730G. And right now you can actually compare the CPU scores. 72,000 versus 1,01,000 and 1,14,000 versus 1,70,000. As you can see the difference how much it is regarding the CPU, and regarding the GPU you can see 66,000 versus 88,000 versus 1 lakh and the 1,65,000. As you can see friends, clearly regarding the CPU and the GPU comparisons between all of these four smartphones which I got right now. And regarding the temperatures wise, if you try to observe, 2.5 degrees increased, and Samsung only increased by 0.3 degrees and 4.3 degrees in the Dimensity 800U and 3 degrees in the Snapdragon 778G processor in terms of the temperatures wise. And the battery dropped by 3%, 2%, 3% and 1% in the iQOO Z5 with the Snapdragon 778G chipset. That's it friends, thank you for watching. Here's a quick comparison between all of these four smartphones and four different processors. And meanwhile, signing off until I stay with more updates. Bye.